Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a professional business card in Canva step by step. Canva offers ready-made templates that make it easy to design a clean and professional business card in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open Canva on your computer. Next, sign into your Canva account if you haven't already. Then, click the Create a Design button. In the search bar, type Business Card. Select a business card template that matches your style. Next, click on the text boxes to replace the sample information with your own details. Enter your name, job title, company name, phone number, email address, website, and business address if needed. Then, customize the colors, fonts, and layout to match your brand. You can also upload your company logo by clicking Uploads. Drag and place the logo on your business card. If you want, add icons or other design elements to make your design look more professional. Once you're happy with the design, click the Share button in the top right corner. Then click Download. Choose PDF print for the best print quality. Finally, click Download to save your business card to your computer. And that's it. You've successfully created a professional business card in Canva. Thanks for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Canva tutorials and tips. See you in the next video.